The use of insect protein as a novel feed ingredient for dairy cattle is gaining global traction, driven by the demand for sustainable and climate-smart farming practices. Insects such as black soldier fly larvae, mealworms, and crickets are valued for their rich protein content, essential amino acids, and minimal environmental footprint. As the world seeks to reduce its dependency on traditional feed sources, insect-based feeds present an innovative and promising solution. Several countries are leading the way in adopting insect protein for livestock feed. In Europe, nations like the Netherlands, Belgium, and Germany have made significant advancements in research and commercial application of BSFL-based feeds. North America, particularly the United States and Canada, is also exploring insect farming as a feed source for aquaculture and livestock, including dairy cattle. In Asia, countries such as China, Thailand, and Vietnam are investing in large-scale insect farming. Meanwhile, South Africa and Australia are conducting trials and expanding insect-based feed production. One of the remarkable benefits of feeding insect protein to dairy cattle is its ability to increase hay and forage intake. Studies have found that insects stimulate natural feeding behaviors in ruminants, encouraging them to consume more grass and hay, which is crucial for maintaining rumen health. Additionally, incorporating BSFL into cattle diets can reduce methane emissions, a significant contributor to global warming, by influencing rumen microbial dynamics. Another significant advantage is improved nitrogen utilization efficiency. Insect proteins are highly digestible and can enhance nitrogen absorption, boosting productivity while reducing nitrogen excretion. This contributes to less environmental pollution. Moreover, insect farming itself is highly sustainable, requiring far less land, water, and feed compared to traditional protein sources such as soy or fish meal. Insects can even be reared on organic waste, promoting a circular agricultural economy. The integration of insect protein into dairy farming aligns with climate-smart agricultural practices. Insect farming leaves a much lower carbon footprint than traditional feed crop production and uses minimal water resources. Importantly, insect-based feeds enhance farm resilience by offering a reliable alternative protein source during climate-related disruptions. Ruminants, including dairy cattle, generally accept insect protein well when it is processed into suitable forms, such as powder or pellets. Proper feed formulation ensures easy consumption and enhances palatability. Insects provide high levels of crude protein, typically ranging between 40% and 70%, depending on the species, along with essential amino acids such as lysine and methionine, which are vital for dairy production. They are also a rich source of essential fatty acids, calcium, phosphorus, and trace minerals. Despite its promising benefits, the adoption of insect protein for ruminants faces several challenges. Regulatory approvals are still pending in some regions, limiting widespread use. Production at a commercial scale remains a hurdle, and current costs can be higher compared to traditional feed sources. Additionally, consumer perception may pose resistance due to cultural concerns about feeding insects to animals. However, with ongoing advancements in research and technology, insect protein is expected to become a mainstream solution for livestock nutrition. Its environmental advantages and potential to enhance dairy production efficiency make it an essential component of future climate-smart dairying strategies. Insect protein represents a sustainable and environmentally friendly approach to dairy farming. With its ability to reduce methane emissions, improve nitrogen utilization, and increase hay intake, it offers multiple benefits for both dairy farmers and the environment. As the agricultural sector continues to seek innovative solutions to address climate challenges, the role of insects in livestock feed will undoubtedly grow, paving the way for a greener, more resilient dairy industry.